yellow belt, the ass got a Billy tuck for any nigga that look at me mad. Crash got behind, we in the foreign demon, do the dash. Bad intentions when we in the field looking for raw cash. Really train to go, won't hesitate, nigga, we all gas. Let me catch a scammer, I'ma wipe him down for all he has. On the third, I'm posted with the flockers, bitch, I'm living fast. Let me catch a pecto, nigga lacking, ain't give no pass. All tail pad in the striker, I blew a transmission, damn. See, know the reason your shit come a missing. Where was niggas at when I was ducking, crashing, hopping fences? Juvenile delinquent, way before I ever caught a sentence. You niggas bunk, ain't never seen a 10. Fuck is a classic, I miss some German shit with limo 10s. Choose it or lose it, y'all nigga par won't compare to him. High fashion, bitch, I'm really popping if you chop off fig. Party ways with niggas that I start to see not really with me. Wine out the block, trying to get low to find them pink 50s. New